Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload YouTube videos on TikTok. So if you're using an iPhone, the best way to do it is to record your screen. So from the record button, please turn on your microphone in order for the YouTube volume or sound would be recorded as well. So when we turn on that, then proceed to to your YouTube account and choose the video that you wish to record. So for example, this one. So starting recording from the beginning till the end of the video. So let's just drag it down. And once you're done, then the recordings will be stopped by tapping that recording button again. You can also tap that microphone off if you wish to turn this off and tap stop recording. Now, you can now go to your TikTok and add that plus icon, starting tapping that recorded video and upload it from or to your TikTok account. So you can also edit this by cutting the video starting from the introduction of the video till the end of it, like this one. So everything is very easy to follow here on TikTok. So you can just drag and then split and then delete the first one that we have recorded. Okay, so something like that. Now, if when it's complete, you can just tap save on the upper right and then you can now share it. But if you're using an Android phone, then the best thing that you can do is to download any video downloader available and free video downloader. And then once you have it, you can now go to YouTube, tap any video that you wish to download, and make sure that the video downloader that you have on phone is also turned on, like this one, while recording. And once you have done recording that specific video, then you can now share that to your TikTok by going on your TikTok and do the same process as I have shown you in the first part. So that's how we download or we transfer YouTube videos to our TikTok account. So I hope this helps, and please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.